Assume identity is used for many reasons. One reason may be that you are out of town and you want your admin to be able to maintain your listings. If your association allows you to use Assume Identity, then this short video will walk you through how easy it is to do that using our system. There are a couple ways to assume identity if you have the correct permissions. So let's take a look at that. So the first way is we're going to go up to the hamburger menu, and then we're going to go down to the arrow. In the arrow, you'll see Assume Identity if you have the proper permissions. Click on Assume Identity, and it'll show you all of the people that you have the ability to assume their identity. You can click up here and search for a user, or if you know the user that you want to assume their identity, just click on their name and then click on Assume. Once you assume their identity, you'll notice a pink circle around their photo with an arrow pointing. This is so that you can return back to the original user's account. You'll also, up in the hamburger menu, notice a pink dot. Again, you'll have that circle with the return, or you can do the drop down and return to your account that way also. It'll ask you if you want to return to your account. Any unsaved information will be lost when you change identities, and you can go ahead and assume back to your account. The second way that you'll be able to assume someone's identity is if you're at the hamburger menu and go down to members, and you can search by the member, and you'll be able to put in their name. For example, let's go ahead and type in Bob. And we're going to go ahead and hit the search button. And we have two results. So I'm going to go ahead and look at those results. And I'm going to look at the details of Bob's record. Once I'm in there, you'll notice up at the top, we now have a little picture up at the top. I'm going to click on that, and that is Assume Identity. I could click on that, click on Assume, and now I'm back in as Bob. I can do what I need to do in Bob's record. And this time I'm going to go ahead and click on that little arrow to return back to my account. And again, it gives me my warning message, and I click Assume to return back to my account. And that's how easy it is to use the Assume Identity.